Which one of the following does a TV remote control unit use to operate a TV set? Light waves, sound waves, microwaves, radio waves.
Explanation: the correct answer is A. Light waves. Most conventional TV remote control units use infrared (IR) light to transmit signals to the television set. Infrared is a type of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths longer than visible light, but it is categorized as a form of light wave. While some modern remotes might use radio waves, like Bluetooth or RF, for wider range and non-line of sight operation, the vast majority of traditional TV remotes and many current ones rely on infrared communication, which falls under the broad category of light waves, though specifically non-visible infrared light. Sound waves and microwaves are not typically used in standard TV remote controls.